is CBS 4 News at 6.
Now at 6, families of the Parkland massacre victims say the school district is sending them a cold-hearted message tonight.
We are devastated as a family.
And they're angry at how money is becoming a flashpoint in the aftermath of the deadly school shooting. 10 weeks after the awful tragedy, families are learning that the district's insurance carrier has put a price tag on the loss of life and injury. CBS 4's Gary Nelson is live at the Broward School headquarters in Fort Lauderdale with the details and the fallout from this. Gary?
Well, the Broward County School District has determined that 17 murders and 17 attempted murders at the high school amount to one incident. And as a result, if that legal position holds, the victims will be entitled to, well, paltry compensation.
I lost my son. I lost my best friend.
Manuel and Patricia Oliver's son, Joaquin, was among those murdered in the Stoneman Douglas High School massacre.
We are devastated as a family.
And now they are also angry that before the first lawsuit has been filed, the Broward school system has fired a warning shot across the bow against potential suits. The district's insurance carrier sending victims' families a notice saying the school bloodbath is being handled as a multi-party claim under one occurrence and is limited to $300,000 per occurrence. Damages for the 17 who were killed and many wounded, the district asserts, would be $300,000 divvied up. Victims are outraged. The school system's changed the conversation from security and prevention to money.
Why would you change behavior if you can pay $300,000 to solve one of the biggest massacres in the United States history?
Broward Schools issued a statement saying it continues support efforts for those affected by the shooting, but said the district is guided by state law, and the law sets sovereign immunity caps for legal actions against all public agencies. Of course, sovereign immunity can be overcome. The legislature awarded nearly $2 million to the family of Juan Carlos Rivera, stabbed to death by classmate Andy Rodriguez at Coral Gables High School. The Stoneman Douglas family say all that should come later, that this year, next year should be about enough is enough.
Raise your voice. We have to do whatever is in our hands to make this situation stop.
Imagine, they say, if someone had paid attention to Nicholas Cruz and the many red flags that should have seen the carnage coming. Now, the Broward School District reiterated today that anyone filing notice of intent to sue over the school shooting will get the same letter in response, that the maximum benefit that could be paid out will be $300,000 divided among all of the victims. We're live in Fort Lauderdale. Gary Nelson, CBS 4 News.